Hi Slovak learners! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte we'll show you the most important cooking words as well as the parts of the kitchen and useful verbs. Let's start! Začíname! Some of the essential words for cooking, varenie, are these. Kitchen, kuchyňa, recipe, recept, ingredients, ingrediencie, pot, hrniec, table, stôl, chair, stolička, pan, panvica, tray, podnos, oven, rúra, stove, sporák, knife, nôž, spoon, lyžica, fork, vidlička, plate, tanier, bowl, miska, cup, šálka, glass, pohár, cutting board, doska na krájanie, dough, cesto, liquid, tekutina, cake, koláč, cookies, keksíky, the mix, zmes, sauce, omáčka. Among the different appliances in the house, we have mixer, mixér, fridge, chladnička, freezer, mraznička, microwave, mikrovlnka, coffee maker, kávovar, kettle, kanvica, toaster, hriankovač, dishwasher, umývačka riadu, squeezer, odšťavovač, bottle opener, otvárač fliaš, grinder, strúhadlo. Now, let's talk about some important cooking verbs such as to cook, variť, to bake, piecť, to fry, vyprážať, to boil, zovrieť vodu, to cut, krájať, to chop, nasekať, to mix, miešať, to peel, šúpať, to grill, grilovať, to season, ochutiť, to taste, ochutnať, to pour, naliať, to grate, strúhať, to serve, servírovať, to melt, roztopiť, to grind, mlieť, to add, pridať, to burn, spáliť. Some phrases you can use while cooking are Čo dnes budeme variť? What are we going to cook today? Daj to do rúry na 30 minút. Put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Musíme viac miešať. We need to stir more. Tento koláčik je chutný. This cake is tasty. Jedlo je hotové. The food is ready. Pridaj trochu cukru. Add a little bit of sugar. Now it's your turn to practice. Try to say the following words in Slovak. Cooking, varenie, fridge, chladnička. To bake, piecť. Great job! Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about this topic. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Ciao!